Hi, welcome to A Dash of Gray, kid-friendly cooking and recipes. Make sure you subscribe, like me on Instagram, like my video, and leave a comment. Click the link in the box to get the recipe on my blog. Now let's cook right now! Before we get started, here are some safety tips for kids. Tip 1. Always ask an adult first. Don't go into the kitchen all by yourself. Step 2. Wash your hands. Tip 3. Wash your ingredients. Tip 4. Prep your work area. Tip 5. Clean as you go. Tip 6. Be prepared in case of an emergency. Now let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Gray. Today I'm going to open my new cooking tool. They're from Curious Chef. I'm going to get my mommy to open the box. Oh, this is really cool. Can't wait to cook with these. This is called a rolling pin. There's a whole set of it. I love the bucket. This is called a mixing spatula. It's called pastry brush.
What's that?
A knife and mixing spoon. This is called a vegetable peeler. This is an ice cream scoop. What? It's a pizza. This is a pizza cutter. A whisk? Is it a whisk?
Yeah.
This is called a whisk. This is another mixing spoon. Wow. These are my favorite. These are awesome. It's called serving tongs. A knife. Another knife. What? Measuring cups. This is another spatula. What? Another measuring spoon? This is a measuring spoon set. There's 6 pieces. What? This is for flipping pancakes. Good. Flip. This is a turner. Because you could turn it. Another knife! So it's time to start cooking with these. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.